You know, as many of you know, I think I mentioned this before, my daughter, who is a gymnast, one of my daughters, she has various aches and pains and injuries and whatnot. And she uses pineapple. Pineapple has something, an enzyme called bromelain, and it's very good for pain. So I'm going to put in my pineapple, frozen pineapple, my bananas. So this is what the condensed milk looks like. So I'm going to add the condensed milk. It's 200 grams, about 7, it says 7.05 ounces. So I'm going to put all of this in there. And I'll see how this goes. I may have to add some milk to this, some almond milk. Okay guys, so let me explain something. You know, because we are not using the regular milk, we're not going to have this smoothness, and our ice cream as vegans is going to be a bit on the icy side unless you make something like a French custard or you put some kind of starchiness to it. I mean, a lot of the vegan ice creams out there on the market, they have like cornstarch and potato starch, all kinds of crazy things in it. This here, the banana, is going to give it a smoothness, so it's not going to be so icy. So I'm going to taste this and see. This is really smooth, and the reason why it's so smooth is because it has the banana. Guys, this is so good. I added some lemon to this to brighten it up a bit. And this is so smooth. See, it's so smooth. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about an hour or two and then show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I left this overnight in the freezer because if you want ice cream, if you want something that is hard, like I do, to scoop out like this, it has to be in the fridge overnight. 2 or 3 hours is not enough. So you have beautiful hard ice cream. If you do this in a food processor, you're going to get smoothie or maybe something that is just like a soft. But you know, when I'm talking about ice cream, I personally like something that is hard. So there you go, guys. This is it. Delicious. Make it. It's quick. It's easy. If you want soft serve, it would be quicker. If you have to do it hard like this, you need to put it overnight. You could also put a piece of pineapple here, like roast it and, you know, as a garnish if you're trying to be fancy. Okay? Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe.